What if humanity tried to erase its waste by throwing it into Earth's most destructive force? Volcanoes. At first glance, volcanoes seem powerful enough to destroy anything we throw inside.
But even before touching lava, extreme heat begins changing the trash instantly.
Once trash touches lava, chemical reactions and trapped gases create sudden, violent bursts. The burning trash releases toxic gases that rise and spread, threatening both humans and wildlife nearby. Over time, repeated dumping could alter the volcano itself, affecting lava flow and the surrounding ecosystem. The gases and particles released don't stay local. They can travel far, affecting air quality and climate globally. Certain materials release greenhouse gases when melted, contributing to long-term climate impacts. Not all trash is destroyed. Some materials survive, persisting as long-term pollutants. When lava and molten trash reach rivers or lakes, chemical reactions and heat can severely alter water quality. Volcanic smoke and ash clouds can disrupt flights, roads, and transport, creating far-reaching hazards. Trapped gases in trash can trigger small explosions when exposed to lava's extreme heat. Some plastics vaporize instantly, releasing toxic fumes that rise as dense, hazardous clouds. Local wildlife suffers from heat, toxic gases, and ash, forcing migration or causing fatalities. Even after the eruption settles, chemicals from melted trash persist in soil, affecting plants and groundwater. Tiny microplastics from melted trash can travel far, carried by wind, posing risks to distant ecosystems. From immediate lava reactions to global pollution, dumping trash in volcanoes creates cascading environmental hazards.
Ashfall from the volcano contaminates crops, disrupting agriculture and entering food chains.
The consequences ripple through society. Damaged infrastructure, disrupted transport, and costly cleanup efforts.
Runoff from volcanic trash carries microplastics and chemicals into rivers and oceans, threatening marine life. Microplastics and chemical runoff enter fisheries, impacting fish populations and the safety of seafood for humans. Dumping trash into volcanoes may seem simple, but the consequences ripple through ecosystems, climates, and humanity itself. Over decades, the impacts of dumping trash into volcanoes ripple through ecosystems, soils, oceans, and the climate itself.
Volcanic emissions react in the atmosphere, forming acid rain that further damages ecosystems and human settlements.
Ash clouds from volcanoes pose serious hazards to aviation, grounding flights and damaging aircraft engines.
Molten trash and ash entering rivers accelerate sedimentation, altering water flow and threatening aquatic habitats.
Toxic chemicals from volcanic trash seep into soil, degrading fertility and leaving land barren for decades.
Persistent ash and toxic fumes degrade air quality, causing chronic respiratory issues for nearby communities. Contaminated soil and water compromise crops, threatening agriculture and the food supply for local communities.